4:30. A Fulton County judge just ruled that it's appropriate to hold the Board of Commissioners in civil contempt and fine it $10,000 a day until it appoints 2 Republicans to the county election board.
And that comes after he says that 2 members of the board illegally blocked them. 11 Alive's Doug Richards was at today's emergency hearing and explains what could happen next.
Outside of the Fulton County Courthouse, a crowd gathered to back up 2 county commissioners who had blocked 2 Republican election board members they described as 2020 election deniers.
I never could have anticipated that I would be facing jail time for doing my job. But here we are.
Commissioners Dana Barrett and Mo Ivory are now on the hot seat because the law requires the board to confirm the GOP's choices for those seats.
These 5 commissioners would rather pander to their constituents than follow this court or any court's order. That cannot stand.
Judge David Emerson already wrote an order requiring them to appoint the Republicans, but the commissioners contended that the law cannot compel their votes as county commissioners.
You're not allowed to vote your conscience. That's their theory. You cannot vote, is the plaintiff's theory. You may not vote. No. You are nothing but a rubber stamp.
I didn't see anywhere in that legislation that the commission was given veto power over the nominees. Is it in there? Did I miss it?
Certainly did not.
Okay, so that's my concern.
It is incomprehensible to me how you could tell someone to vote, but it's just a rubber stamp. These people are not potted plants.
The commissioner's attorney asked the judge to send the case to an appeals court, but the attorney for the Republican Party said, sure, but
They can have their day in court, but they need to follow this court's order.
the commissioner's attorney said the problem with that is that if the court forces the board to make the appointments on the election board and then the commission wins on appeal, Fulton County has no mechanism to remove those appointees from the election board. At Fulton Superior Court, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.
Interesting to note here that Fulton's Democratic-led Board of Commissioners had routinely appointed Republicans to Fulton's election board over the years, but they drew the line on the current nominees because commissioners said they helped in the effort to overturn the 2020 election in Georgia.